Okay, so we are now in using average capital balances. So take a look at this one. So pag average capital balance is the another way around to compute for this one. Kasi yung nasa assignment ninyo guys is iba pala yung the way it was computed. So kung sa ako, okay, tingnan lang yung gamitin. Okay, mas dali siya. Kasi sa assignment ninyo, it uses the balances. So this one, like for example, pag beginning, so syempre, how many months is outstanding? So it is 12 over 12. And the next one is if it is this one, like for example, investment additional 60,000, so meron siyang 9 over 12. So, sige ka na 9 over 12. 9 months starting, yun nga. Okay, count off na. From March 31 to December 31. So, March 31 man siya. So, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So, 9 months. So, 9 months. So, you use 9 over 12. Multiply by 60,000. So, meron siyang 45,000. Next one is yung withdrawals. So, withdrawal, 75,000 times 5 over 12. Bakit siya 5 over 12? It's because it is August. Kasi this is July 31. So, August, September, October, November, December. So, 5 months. So, kaya siya 5 over 12. So, if it is withdrawal, take a look at this one. Ano yung ginawa dito? So, meron siyang negative sign. Negative sign, it means to say meron siyang withdrawal. Withdrawal na 31 to 50. Now, the next one here is by using the investment additional na naman, no? So, in this case, starting from September 1, so September, since 1 man siya, no? Up till September, September, October, November, December. So, 4 months. That's why 4 over 12. So, meron siyang 50,000. And the last one is yung December. So, since it's December, so December, 1 month lang, no? So, 1 over 12. So you do have here 15,000 times 1 over 12, so meron siyang 1 to 50. Add mo lang lahat, that is the average capital balance of PPJ. So meron siyang 415. Then the next one here, pag GNB naman, so beginning, as you can see, automatic na siya na 150. Nga naman, so over 12, ramanggod, di ba? Pila gani equivalent ano niya, di ba? 1. So a number, like here for example, 350 multiplied by 1, 350 lang gihapon. So diri wala lang yung gipakita ang computation. So automatic na 150. Now for June 1, so June 1, 120, the investment multiplied by 7 over 12. So asa gikan ng 7, so it is from June 1 to December 31. So June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So 7 months. That's why it has 7 over 12. So meron siyang investment na 70,000. The next one is yung withdrawal. So again, withdrawal, 95,000 times 6 over 12 because this is June 31 and 6 months po ito. Then, sabi nga natin, pag mayroong withdrawal, don't forget the negative sign which represents the withdrawal. So, it's 47,500. And then, the next one is yung investment additional na naman, 165 times 5 over 12. Bakit siya 5 over 12? It's because this is July 31. So, wala yung July. August, September, October, November, December. So, 5 months. Okay, so 5 over 12. So, meron siya 68,750. And the last one is yung December 2. So, ito, 90,000. So, in this case, na mali lang ni class, paki-edit na lang ko. This is not, December, 11. 3 na siya, 3 months lang man. Okay? 3 na siya. Mali na si si sir. So, 3 over 12. Bakit 3 over 12? It's because October, November, December. Ayan. So, that's why 3 over 12. So, meron siyang 90,000. So, since this is withdrawal, don't forget the negative sign to represent the withdrawal. So, meron siyang total na 22,500. Add mo lang lahat, that is the average capital of GNB. So, meron ka ng average capital for both PPJ and GNB. So, gagawa ka na ng fraction. Ito yung fraction mo. Multiply by 200. So, this is for PPJ. So, guys, in this case, kinonvert niya in whole number. No? Okay lang po nakadecimal. Okay? So, GNB naman, this one, so you do have total of 200,000. So, that is for average capital. So, ayan. So, medyo tricky kasi yung average capital kasi you need to compute for the average capital balances at year end. Now, We're done with the average capital balance. The last one is by allowing salaries, interest, and giving bonus. In the remainder, it may be divided equally percentage arbitrary ratio, capital balances, original beginning, ending, and average. So let's try to commute for number 8. Okay. So number 8 ito tayo ha, para doon na nato ni kaltanan karon. Okay. Ayan. So by allowing salaries, interest, and bonus. Let's start by allowing salaries. Okay. So by allowing salaries. Ayan. So if there is a salaries class, before you are to divide that one based on yung kanina, ito lahat, lagay mo muna yung salaries. Like if for example, JNB as managing partner receive 40,000 a year, and PPJ as the agent of the partnership receive 10,000. So ano yung gagawin nyo? Lagyan nyo lang ng PPJ JNB total year and the salaries for specifically intended to them. So 10,000 kay PPJ, 40,000 kay JNB, so meron siyang total na 50,000. So kailangan may total lang kasi this will be used later on in computation for the remainder. Okay, remainder. Ayan. So if you're going to take a look at this one, ayan. Lagay ko na lang kasi maputol niya siya pag-abot sa inyo. Sugo na ako. Ayan. So the remainder, take a look at this one. What will be the process to allocate the remainder? So sabi dyan, the remainder is divided equally. Ayan. So 200, which is yung profit, di ba? Profit to be divided between the partners. Then minus the 50,000 yung total na salaries. So meron siyang remainder na 150. And sabi dyan, divided equally, so divided by 2 kasi dalawa lang sila. So divided by 2, 75,000. 75 of PPJ and JNB is also 75 for a total of 150,000. Add mo lang 10 plus 75, so meron siyang 85,000. JNB is 40 plus 75, so 115. Okay. So 50 plus 150 is 200. So to check kung tama ba niya, no, you can also make use of the cross, no, cross footing. So 85 plus 115, dapat ang result niya is also 200. Okay? So pag mag-journal entry ka nito, guys, so you debit here the income summary, no, kasi you close the income summary. So pag na-profit yan, yung sige normal balance sa income summary, di ba? Siyempre, no, credit. So imo man siyang i-close, imo i-debit ang profit by 200,000. Then in this one, so we use here PPJ. So, sa baba kasi capital, no? Kasi other books mention, even sa Balyada na book, it uses withdrawal or drawing. So you debit PPJ drawing first. This is 200. This is not 200, this is 85. So sige ka ng 85, mo na ang sharing niya. Dire 85. And then for GNB capital, GNB drawing, so GNB drawing or withdrawal, so meron siya. Pila dito yung share gani? 115. So this is the entry to record the allocation of the profit between the partners, PPJ and GNB. Okay? So muna siya closing entry. Ayan. Let's have yung second one, which is by allowing interest. So yan, yung kanina, by allowing salaries. How about if this is included na yung interest? Interest on capital. Okay? Interest sa capital. So this is not an expense or income, ha? This is just an interest as a tool in computing the profit sharing. Okay? So GNB as the managing partner receive 40,000 a year na salaries and PPJ as agent receive 10,000 na salaries for the partners. That's why salaries 10,000 kay PPJ, 40,000 kay GNB, so meron siyang total na 50. Now for the interest on average capital, so take a look at this one. Additionally, PPJ and GNB will receive 5% interest on their average capital balance of the year. So 5% on the average capital balance. So meron silang interest allowance na 5% based on the average capital. So 5% multiplied by the average capital ng PPJ. So asagi ka ng 415 gani, Mo to gi-compute na to kaganina, di ba? Remember this one, 415. So 415 kay PPJ, 218 kay GNB. So that's why it has 415 as the basis for allocation or interest multiplied by 5%. So meron siyang 2750 as PPJ na share sa interest. Then 218,750 multiplied by 5%, so meron siyang 10,938 for the basis or interest ni GNB. Add mo lang yung dalawa, 10,750 plus 10,938, so meron siyang 31,688 na total. Then, the remainder sabi dyan, so it is not always equal, no? Kasi depende sa problem. Yung kanina, equal kasi yung sinabi kanina. Diba? Remainder equally. But in this case, sinabi kasi sa problem here, in this case, the remainder or the remaining is shared at 40% kay PPJ and 60% kay GNB. So that's why, compute first for the remainder. 200 ang remainder minus 50,000 na total salaries minus 31,668 na total interest. So meron siyang remainder na 118312 multiplied by 40% kay PPJ, and the next one is multiply 60% kay GNB. So add mo lang lahat, 78,075 for PPJ, 121,925 for GNB, and for a total of 200,000. Okay, so ganyan lang po sa interest. Follow nyo lang po what is the base. So, ang interest kasi it may be based sa beginning, based sa ending, based sa average, or based sa original capital ratio. So, that is actually based on the agreement of the partners sa ilahang articles of co-partnership. Next one is assuming na naman pag merong bonus. Ayan. So, remember, kaning ganing ang bonus, it may be before, like for example, before salaries, interest, and bonus. It may be also before, after salaries, after interest, but before bonus. Or di kaya siya, ang pangatlo, this is before, bonus is after salaries, after interest, and after bonus. And the fourth one is bonus before salaries, interest, but after bonus. So, pagkabuok, no, ang basis sa bonus diri before lahat, after lahat, after salaries, before bonus, then before salaries, interest, but after bonus. Okay, let's start with before lahat. Yan. So, if it is before lahat, before salaries, interest, and bonus, what do you mean by before at saka yung after? Kasi pag sinabi before and after, before deduction, so in this case, before deduction sa salaries, interest, and bonus. Kasi pag after deducting salaries, interest, or bonus. Ayan. So this one, this is before deduction ng salaries, interest, and bonus. The same problem pa rin, no? GNB as the managing partner receive 40,000 a year, so 40 kay GNB. And PPJ as the agent receive 10,000. Ayan. For a total of 50,000. So meron siyang total of 50. And the interest is, so as you can see, additionally, PPJ and GNB will receive a 5% interest on their ending capital balance. So yung kanina average, so depende sa problem ko kung saan yung basis for the interest. That's why 500 multiplied by 5%, so meron siyang 25. 250 multiplied by 5%, so meron siyang 12,500. So total mo lang yung dalawa, that is the total interest on ending capital na 37,500. Okay, now let's have the bonus. Ayan, so ito na po yung bonus. So as you can see, the base for bonus is profit. This is profit before salaries, before interest, before bonus. So profit is gross at 200. So 200 multiplied by 10%, so meron siyang 20,000 as, okay, 20,000 as share or bonus allowance. Okay? So as you can see, before man tanan, so 200, as again ng 200. 200 is the profit, right? Sharing nila. So 10% daw sa profit mo, ito ang bonus ni PPJ. Okay? And then the remainder, this is to be divided equally. So 200 minus 50,000 minus 37,500, the total for okay, salaries, interests, and minus 20,000 for the bonus. So meron siyang remainder na 92,500. And the remainder, anong sabi sa remainder? The remainder or the remaining shares be divided by PPG and GNB 8:10 respectively. So based on arbitrary ratio. So ganyan, if that's the case, that is 8/18 for PPJ and 10/18 kay GNB. Asagi ka na 18 gani, i-total ang 8 o gang 10. So meron siyang 41,111 and 51,389. So add mo lang yung apat. For PPJ, meron siyang 96,111. For GNB, meron siyang 103,889. So dapat kung imong i-total ng duha, mag-total siya og 200. Okay? That is the basis for computing if merong bonus. Okay. Now for the next one, if it is after salaries, interest but before the bonus. So kumbaga, net income after ma-deduct sa salaries, after ma-deduct ang interest, pero wala pa na-deduct ang bonus. Okay? So if that's the case, same problem gyapon no sa salaries as is lang po. Interest as is lang po. So the bonus here is 200, which is the profit, minus 50,000 na interest. Salaries, I mean. Ayan, salaries. Kasi nga, sabi nga natin kanina, di ba? Kanina mga good before, wala pa na-deduct ang salaries, interest, o bonus. Diri kay gideduct ang after salaries, interest, but before bonus. That's why i-deduct nimo ang bonus na 50,000 o ang ang salaries nga 50,000 o ang interest nga 37,500. So that's why deduct. And mao na siya karon ang basis nimo for the bonus rate. So 112,500 multiplied by 10%, so meron siyang 11,250. Again pag after, that is deduction. So before, after deducting the salaries, interest. And then this is before bonus. Okay? So the remainder is to be divided based on the ending capital ratio. Ayan, so that's the second to the last one is after salaries. Tanan na after na tanan. Okay? After salaries, after interest, and after bonus. Ayan. So if that's the case, salary is the same. The interest is also the same. Pero yung bonus, if you're going to take a look at this one, ayan. So 200 minus the salaries nga 50, then minus 37,500. Okay. That is 112,500, right? And since, take note if it is after bonus, diba ito after bonus mo siya, i-divide mo sa 100% times the bonus rate. Okay? So kani, this is 100%. Okay? Plus the bonus rate. So 100% plus 10%. So meron siyang total na 110%. Okay? So meron siyang 110%. So dili constant nga 110 na. Depende magkung pila ang bonus rate. If the bonus rate is 20, syempre this is 20. Okay? So this will now become 120. So since this is 10%, right? So we use 110. So si buhaton nimo gani asa ang calculate na to? Ayan, pakita natin yung calculate sa niya pag-compute. Okay, so as you can see here, 112,500 divided by 1.1 kasi 110%. And then multiplied by 0.1. So meron siyang 10. Okay. 227. Okay, 10 to 7. Again So 112,500 divided by 1.1 and then multiplied by 0.1, so meron siyang 10,227. Okay? So the remainder here will now be divided based on the ending capital beginning na naman po din, no? Beginning capital balances. That's why 200 minus 50 na salaries minus 37,500 na interest minus 10,227 na bonus. So meron siyang remainder na 102,273 and then fraction of the beginning balances 71,591 for PPJ, 30,682 kay GNB. So ito yung total nila. So in this case kasi other books class, remember this one no kaning pag-record yan sa division of profit. So other books use withdrawal or drawing, other books naman use capital. Okay? So for this case na lang to make it ano na lang siguro consistent no? Capital na lang sa kasi sa balyada mo gud na libro even sa anandan ko na ko no is we use withdrawal as the basis for journal entries. Then the last one here is by using bonus before salaries interest pero after bonus. So if that's the case, as you can see here, okay, so si salary same pa rin, si interest same pa rin, pero yung bonus is iba na siya. So as you can see, automatic yung 200 divided by 1.10. So ano wala naman gi-minus, sir, ang katungkuan, sir, salaries interest is because the problem, sabi niya, before salaries. Ayan. But after bonus. So pag after bonus gani, divided by 100% plus 10% or rate. So in this case, 200 divided by 1.1 times 0.1. So meron siyang 18,182 pesos. And then the remainder, this is to be divided based on the average na naman yung sinabi sa problem. So that's why it has this one as the income or sharing ni PPJ, this one sharing ni Jerry for a total of 200,000. Okay? So that is for the allocation. Again, once again, the allocation for the profit or loss, it may be, sabi dyan sa book nyo, equally, percentage, arbitrary ratio, o di kaya the capital ratios. So ito yung mga capital ratio, itong apat. It may be original, beginning, ending, or average capital balances. And the last one, ito yung madugong laban, which is by allowing salaries, interest, bonus. Okay, and the remainder is to be divided, it may be equally, percentage, arbitrary ratios, balik na po sa 1 to 7. Capital balances, original, beginning, ending, and average. Ayan, so, question po. So, if you do have question. Ako mo dila or ako ang mag-question sa inyo, ha?
Napa, sir.
Ano pa? Sige, wala na may question. Wala din time para mag-discuss sa yung assignment. So, call mo karon no? Sayang. Yan, answer nga sa taan ni Ben. True or false? Maybe. Kaya ko ba niyan si Ron? Sama na to ang pa-answer na niya. Sige. Answer sa ta. Naka-question supat. Naka-con ka. Naka-mute.
Naunta, sir.
Saman supat.
Kaya nang nakalimot ko.
Balikan ng takaon niya. Sige, manawag ko, be. Ikaw na lang una supat, be, number 1.
Ayaw, sir. Yung nauna na ako akong pangutan.
Ikasan. Si Tundag. Si Tundag, Adora May. Wala na siya. Sa Ryan. Nice, Ryan. Arian, Bethel. Ano ko
Sir.
Ito na yung mong name. Sige, Arian. Number 1.
The increase
Basa.
due
The
to
increase in
the increase in equity of the partner due to distribution of profits can be attributed to a particular asset.
so pag may additional investment,
Through
okay, true. Pwede. Any asset can be considered as contribution. Number 2. Ayan. Number 2, let's have ano si Tundag? Si ano ba? Si Bayan. Ba si Bayan? Sige, itong mga tropa 50 sopat ba? Wala nang susunod sila ba? Si Gabriel, no? Si Manla. Tapos si Manla. Si Gerwela.
Nagpa-load pa, sir.
Si Minyosa. Wala nang susunod si Minyosa ba? Wala po si Minyosa. Si Labor. Dapat si Labor. Ano ko natawag supat? Wala po, no? Wala. So, tawagan na niya. Sumudong. Charis. Yes po.
Sir?
So, what do you think is the answer for number 2? Yan na, basa lang.
The partnership agreement may validly stipulate that one partner shall receive no share in profits or losses.
Pwede ba? Wala yung makashare sa profit or loss. Sige.
False, sir?
Okay, false. Kasi by
False.
stipulation, tama, false. Kasi nga dapat by definition pa lang ganin na divided sa last part to be divided the profits among themselves. So that's why there is a need to stipulate na dapat naagi profit sharing. Dili pwede nga dili tanan makashare sa profit. Number 2. Ano tawagan is number 2? Sabile.
Hi, sir.
Hello po. Ipo,
Number 8, sir.
3 po, yes po.
It is possible for a partner's capital account to increase as a result of the allocation of a loss.
Ay, kaya advance kayo niya, no?
Sir.
Sige, class. So man ha? Gusto siya explain pag wala siya problem. Okay? Okay. So, okay, no? So, pakitik na to lang ko ano, this is actually true. Pwede siya. Ang dako ang loss ni isa ka partner. Ang ako, wala ko yung loss na ako yung profit. Nga naman, kay basig sa profit and sharing, dako kaya salaries, dako ang bonus. Yung sa remainder is dako po siya remainder. So, even though loss siya, it can be, no? Sama niya, mangita siguro ko problem nga ni class. So, mangita na ko problem nga ni, pwede siya ma-increase ang capital if there is a loss. Okay, so number 4. 4, si 5. So, sunod na niya kung tawag din niya. Si Sir na ang sunod na 5.
Yes, sir.
Sige po.
Salary and interest allowance are reported in the statement of financial performance as salaries and interest expenses.
Okay, so muna ko yung kaganina.
True, sir.
F.
False.
Okay, false, tama. So, thank you po, no? So, as you can see, ang katong mga salaries dito pang mention kaganina, salaries, interest allowance, they are not recorded as expense. Kumbaga, tool lang siya in distribution of profits and losses. Take note for this one, ha? dili siya sa record as salaries and expense, but it's just a tool in distributing the profits and loss between the partners. Dili siya part as salaries and interest expense in the income statement. No. Okay? Number 5. Sir na. Sir na. Pero balik-balik na, no? Sige na lang, laban lang ta. Sige, sir na.
Sir,
So number
it is
5.
possible to allocate profit or loss to partners based solely on average capital balances.
Saman sa amin. Siyempre, this is
True?
true. Tama. Balik na ito nino. Pwede po siya based on average capital balance. Okay, let's have number 1. Ayan, multiple choice number 1. Thank you po, sir na ha. Susunod din yan. Siguradillo. Number 1. Then number 2, si Ratso.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Basa.
Partnership net income is not allocated in the same ratio as is a partnership net loss if the partnership agreement.
Ay, ano man eh.
Sir, dili ko sure D.
D, dabi, has a bonus for one partner based on net income. After the bonus decided distribution. Wala may lain po, no? Kasi even though there are equal salaries together with each partner, they still have the same profit and loss. If allows an equal drawing partner, wala effect. No effect ni siya, no effect. So, ano siya labot? B naman, silent as distribution of profit. Pag silent ang profits and distribution of profits and ratio. Is silent as a distribution of profits and ratio. Di ba pag silent, loss ang gamiton din? No. Pag silent, it is capital ratio. Di ba remember sa katugan ng discussion natin? So if there is a profit, first one is agreement sa profit. So wala pag-iingon na agreement sa loss. No? So the answer is ano? Letter B. So B ang B na yun. No. Kung yung tag-silent, wala naka-state, di ba? Wala naka-state ang profits. So it does not mean gamiton kaya ang loss. So ang gamiton niya sa number 2. Gani. Bibo ni siya. Isang nag-away dali. Sige, Boss Lance. Yan. Bago pa niya Boss Lance. Racho. Sa number 2.
The most equitable distribution of partnership income based on capital contribution uses which of the capital concept.
So do you think
Ko sure, sir, ay. Equally, sir.
Equally ba?
Average.
Isang capital, so average. Capital ratio, di ba? Remember, beginning, ending, average. Ito, ikaw upat yan eh. Di ba upat nandun sila? Original, right? Capital ratio is kaning upat. So remember this one ha? Kaning. Original, beginning, ending, and average capital. So these itong apat, which of the following is most equitable one? So syempre, the most equitable one is the average. Ano ganing average ang most equitable gani? It's because, di ba? Ito yung na-discuss, di ba nga? Kung beginning manggod, maro-maro usay si partner na ba? Sige, iyahang padako ng iyahang capital sa beginning para dako sa share. Kung ending ko lang gamiton, padako niya yung ending capital para gamay sa share. That's why the most equitable one is average capital. Ang gina-consider niya is ang movement sa iyahang investment o given sa withdrawal. Okay. So again, the most equitable one in distribution of using capital contribution is average capital. Kasi equal, this is not part of capital contribution. Okay. Sa number 3. Okay, balik-balik niya siya. Sa number 3. Si Gabriel.
Salaries to partners of a partnership typically should be accounted for as
A device per share net income, operating expense, dili ni no? Kaya mo yung kanina, dili na sa part sa ano, X ni siya. Drawings ba siya? Hindi ba siya drawing, no? Reduction ba siya sa capital account? So, do you think is the answer, Gabriel? The answer is letter?
A.
Okay, tama, letter A. Again, device lang siya in sharing the net income. It is not part of the operating expenses. Hindi nga siya salaries expense, ha? Hindi na siya salaries expense. It is just a device as a tool in distribution of net income to partners. Okay? Ano pa ba? Let's have number 4. Kani? What do you think is the answer for number 4? Sige daw. Supat naman to sunod, no? Or wala pa nakahuman. Kasi question mo supat ganyan. Na naka-question supat.
Na, sir.
Sige, balik ko na ka. Kasi time, less than 1 minute na lang ba ako? Sige, isa man. Supat.
Ay, kuan, sir. Kanang, what if kanang tulo ka mag-partner, sir? Ay, kanang nag-agree, sir, ba na mag-kuan sila partnership company? Then, na sila agreement na ang i-kuan sa isa is equipment na, which is ang fair value niya kay 40K. Then, ang isa kay land, which is 80K. Then, ang isa, sir, kay cash, yang dapat i-share. Sir, saan pag-determine